All right, guys. So welcome to this exclusive webinar brought to you by 10 Trade. And what you'll be learning tonight is how to earn passive income via copy trading. So I'll be talking a lot about passive income and also talking about copy trading and how you can get involved in copy trading and start making money, right? So, and this is going to change the whole ballgame for you as a trader, especially if you are a beginner or you are very, very busy with work, right? So what you learn tonight will show you how to earn money by the side. My name is Tobi Okunuga. I'm a Forex trader and I've been trading in the financial markets since 2018. So about 4 years now of active trading in the market. I'm also a partner with 10 Trade, which is bringing this awesome content live to you. So in essence, let's start with who this masterclass is for, right? So how do you know that this class is for you? Number one is for anyone that is new to the idea of Forex trading. Okay, so by new to that Forex trading, I mean if you're a total beginner, okay, so if you're just starting to find your feet in the markets, you know, you are still possibly blowing accounts, you are losing money, you are not very, very profitable consistently, this class is for you. And also for traders who have blown several accounts over and over and over again. Now, this is the reality for majority of forex traders today. All right, an average trader, before he or she starts to get profitable in their first maybe 1 year or 2 years, they will keep blowing accounts, right? So if you're in that category, I'm going to show you how you can literally stop blowing accounts, right? And then becoming profitable. Number three, for investors who have been duped by Forex traders, right? So an investor is somebody that has money, that wants his money to work for him. So an investor is probably someone that is very, very busy, but still wants to leverage on the Forex market to multiply his or her income, all right? And in Nigeria today or in Africa, there are a lot of investment Ponzi schemes springing up here and there, all right? And a lot of people that are not really aware about what is going on are, you know, susceptible to these schemes. So they think it is legit, but at the end of the day, they end up losing all of their capital, all right? And then the perpetrators flee the country or just go completely incognito, right? So if you're an investor and then you have been losing money with this, you know, investment platforms that promise you, guaranteed returns on investments on a monthly basis, right? If you have lost money to those platforms, I'm going to show you how you can leverage on a very, very simple system. Okay, a simple system that is very, very transparent called social copy trading, whereby you can also invest without fear of losing your capital. All right, so it's an amazing concept that we have going on. All right, so what is my goal for you tonight? Number one is to have everything you need to invest in profitable Forex traders who will trade your capital for you and make you between 5 to 20% profit each month, right? So I'm going to expose you to top level traders that have that, you know, that their performance record is open for all to see. So based on that performance, you will now make the decision to trade with this person or with that person, all right? And then you can make, you know, good income on a monthly basis. Number two, earn passive income, all right? Very, very important. We'll talk briefly about passive income very, very shortly, right? And then you'll be able to earn passive income, invest in traders and earn money every month, even if you have lost a lot of money to the Forex market before. So it does not matter the history that you have with losing in the foreign exchange market, all right? So what we're introducing to you tonight is a different ball game entirely, right? Totally transparent, okay, way to make your money work for you in the foreign exchange market, right? So let's dig into content now. I'll take questions at the end of this presentation. Please, as I'm talking, if you have any questions, feel free to write down your questions for when it's time. I would also possibly unmute some people. If you have any questions at the end of this, at the end of the presentation, I can unmute you and then you just ask your questions. All right. So let us dive in. So welcome on board, everybody. I see Mr. Folabi, Mr. David, Mr. Victor, Mr. Goto. Welcome, everybody. So let's start with a bit of risk disclaimer. Obviously, this is a very, very high risk trading. Forex trading is risky. Okay, it involves an amount of risk and is not suitable for everybody. Past performance is not indicative of future result. Right? So consider everything that we are doing here as education only, right? So this is not financial advice, right? So let us start by talking about what passive income is, right? Passive income is simply recurring revenue stream that requires little to no effort or time to maintain. This is income that you make that is not a result of your direct effort. So that means with passive income, you are not trading time for income, right? Unlike your normal day job or you are into business, the money that you make as an employee or as an entrepreneur is based on the time that you put into that particular business. That is active income. Passive income, on the other hand, is income that you made that is not tied to your time and it requires little to no effort, okay, to maintain. And what is a true mark of wealth? I say this always, the true mark of wealth is passive income. How do you know that an individual is wealthy? Passive income. Okay, the Bill Gates of today, the Elon Musk of today, the Dangote of today, they've built systems in place to ensure that even though they don't work again for the rest of their life, on a daily basis, something is coming in as income, as profit. That is when you can say that you are wealthy, all right? And it's very, very important that we start considering how to build passive income as a person, because what if something happens to your business or something happens to your day job, okay? Economic policies might change things. Maybe there's recession or there is, for example, during the COVID-19, all right, a lot of people lost their jobs. The economy was basically shut down, okay? And a lot of people were left stranded. But the only people that were able to survive so much were people that had something going on passively, all right? It was Warren Buffett that said that if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. And trust me, I believe that nobody wants to work until they die, okay? An average human being wants to work for wants to retire maybe like 50 or 60 and then starts reaping the rewards, right? So we should start thinking about passive income, start thinking about retirement, earning money that is not tied directly to your effort. And that is what this webinar is about. We'll be showing you how to earn passive income leveraging on the social copy trading platform that TenTrade provides, all right? So let's talk briefly about the 3 ways to earn in the foreign exchange market as a trader. So this is if you are trading directly in the market. The first way you can earn money as a forex trader is, number 1, trading your capital, obviously. Number 2 is to become a fund manager, right, which is handling funds for clients, and then you earn possibly performance fees or profit split, right? And then number 3 is to invest in profitable traders, okay? So this is the number 3 point here is what we want to dwell on this night. How can you earn in the forex market? By investing in profitable traders. Passive income is key and is very, very important. It doesn't matter how much that passive income is, but you must start from somewhere and then you build that passive income up to a level that you are earning in, tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars, okay, on a weekly basis or on a monthly basis. All right. So let's talk about the popular statistics out there about forex trading. Everybody in the forex market know that 90% of traders lose money. The majority of people that call themselves forex traders lose money. When you fill a room up with, let's say, 100 forex traders, if you pick at random, okay, at least 90 out of those 100 traders are not profitable. Only 10% or even less than 10% of traders are profitable. That means it is very, very difficult to find profitable traders. Very, very difficult to find traders that are profitable consistently. All right. And so being profitable as a trader is skill set, result of years of hard work. All right. So now, how can you become a part of the top 10% or the top 1% of profitable traders? All right. So you can do that by leveraging on the performance, on the results of these top traders. As they are trading on their own accounts, the same trades will be reflecting on your own account as well. Okay, that's very, very beautiful. So how do you invest in profitable traders? Let's go. Is by leveraging on what we call social trading. All right, so 10Trade, which is a multi-asset broker, has a beautiful platform called the copy trading platform. All right, so this is social trading, and what it involves is we have something like we have a leaderboard or a list of traders that have registered as fund managers, okay, on 10Trade platform, and then they are willing to trade your capital for you, and once they make profits, right, there'll be profit split at the end of the month, right? And then in order to do this, you will not be sending your capital to anybody, right? So your money remains with you. Only you can withdraw your money, so that you're not sending your money to anybody. You also be in full control of the risk that is being taken on your account. Don't worry, would go through all of the practical shortly, all right? But leveraging on this platform is how you can, earn passive income in the foreign exchange market. So that means you wouldn't have to be thinking about what to trade in a particular week, okay? All of that is handled by the expert trader. You wouldn't have to start managing trades or fixing your stop loss or trying to, manage your risk. Everything is done by the expert trader, all right? And then you also have autonomy over how the whole trading is done, all right? So this is investing made easy with social trading. Unlike the Ponzi schemes out there that promise you guaranteed returns. Now, this is real forex trading. There's no guaranteed returns like we, started from the beginning. Based on performance, you have a Rolodex or a list of traders, okay, and then you see the performance of each of those traders, and based on that performance, you decide if you want to connect your account to this trader. Okay, so let us go forward and then talk about how that is set up. So this is also an avenue for you to earn in US dollars and spend in Naira. Okay, we are in the holiday season right now, okay, and this is a period where a lot of us wants to spend money, okay. So one way that you can really thrive in this Christmas period, the New Year period, is to find a way to earn in US dollars, right? As at this morning that I exchanged dollar to Naira, I think $1 right now is about 750 naira, thereabout, right? Based on the projection and everything, in the next 2 or 3 months, okay, we won't be surprised if $1 is equal to 900 naira or even 1,000. All right. So trading in the forex market, leveraging on this computing platform gives you the ability to earn in dollars. That means you are not involved in the Naira economy. You are not dealing with the dollar economy. Okay. And that will really set you apart from a lot of traders out there. Okay. So regardless of the inflation that is going on in Nigeria right now, it will not really affect you because you are not earning in Naira. You are earning in US dollar. Okay, so there's no way that you will not beat inflation if you have this system in place for you. Okay, remember, building passive income is a result of leveraging on systems, right? So this system is called the copy trading system, right? So let us check out exactly how this works. Obviously, the first thing that you want to do is to be a client, a 10-trade client, okay? Be a 10-trade client. You want to create your account with 10-trade. If you don't have an account with 10-trade yet, what you want to do is to go to, let me just bring out the slide there. You want to go to these particular websites, 10.trade, and you want to create your account with 10-trade. Once you have an account with 10-trade, you have access to your client dashboard, right? So this is what your client dashboard is going to look like. So just give me a second. Let me load up my 10-trade account. It's loading up here. Okay, so everybody that's a client of 10-trade would have access to their dashboard. And then having an account with 10-trade is very, very simple. Under 1 minute, you are done with the creation, with the account creation. And as soon as you create your account, the email address and your login details will be sent to your email immediately, so you can have a backup, right? So once you have an account with 10-trade, obviously you do your KYC verification and then you make your deposit to start trading. And then how can you leverage on the copy trading? On your dashboard, on the left-hand side here, you're going to see a tab called copy trading, right? You see a tab called copy trading, left-hand side, and then you click on copy trading rankings, copy trading rankings. Now, when you do this, the rankings will take you to the leaderboard of all the fund managers that are on 10-trade right now. Okay, so you can see over here, we have the leaderboard from number 1 to number 10. We have about 31 fund managers here that you can choose to connect your account with. All right, so let's check out this number 1 person and see the performance. All right, so before you decide to connect your account or invest with any of these traders here, you want to first and foremost check out the performance. Okay, that's where you want to start from. All right, so let's check out the number 1 person here. So Global Wealth Fund. Okay, now you can see this guy, the returns that this person has made, over 5,000% returns. And this account has been active for 546 days. So in almost 2 years, this person has made over 5,000% profits. He's in a drawdown today of about 2% drawdown. But let us scroll down and then check out the monthly statistics. Now, this guy started trading August of last year, right? So, and the first month, 11% profit, second month, 20% profit, all right? The fourth month, 200%, and then every month statistics, he was in a loss April, right? And then ultimately, this trader is overall very, very profitable. Now, if you started with this trader August last year, and this person made 5,000% profit. What this means is that this is 50 times. So this person has made 50x his investment in about 2 years, right? So that means if you invest, if you're trading with this person and then you put, let's say, $1,000, now you will get a similar result as well. So you would also get about 50x return on investment. So that means that's 50 times your investment. So that's 50 times 1,000. So you would have made $50,000 in profits with this particular trader. All right. We can also dig deep and check out a lot more stats. You can check out the performance in the last 3 months, the last 1 month in terms of profit that this person is making. You can come to the trading tab over here and check out you can see here recovery factor, right? Scroll down. Overall, this guy has a steady growth, right? Steady growth. Even though there are times that the account will be on drawdown, eventually there is recovery, all right? And then the account keeps going up, right? So all of this data that is presented to you will help you make an informed decision, right? If you go to the instrument tab, so this tab will give you a list of all the currency pairs or instruments that this trader trades. You can see this trader trades quite a number of instruments, right? All right, so and then over here, you can see a lot more stats here. If you are used to my FX book, okay, these are, categories that are in my FX book as well. So you can really know exactly how this trader trades by looking at this statistics here, right? If you go to equity, what do we have under equity? All right, you can see maximum profit 6,000%, maximum drawdown 44%, maximum daily profit 57%. Okay, so you can see everything here. Average profit, okay, that's pretty much per trade or something, 4%. All right, so this is a very, very good trader. As you can see, it has been consistent for about 2 months now. All right, so that's about this person. So what you want to do is very, very simple. Before you make your decision on whom to invest with, you want to also check out other traders as well. All right, so let's check out this person, USD JPY expert. Okay, this person has made over 200% returns in a bit over 2 years. So this person has doubled his capital in less than 2 years. Okay, let's check out the monthly returns. So this guy every month is, let's say, averaging about, let's say 10% average on a monthly basis. He has had just 2 losing months so far, and there has always been recovery. Okay, so these are stats that you want to see. Okay, when there's a loss, there's recovery. This is real trading. Okay, there is no forex trader that does not lose trades or doesn't have possibly losing months. Okay, unlike other Ponzi platforms that promise you unrealistic return. Now, this is real. So even though there are losses, eventually you would find recovery, and that's the beauty of forex trading. Okay, let's check out the trading tab here. All right, you can see what's going on here. Steady growth. This person trades only, if you go to instruments, it trades only USD JPY. If you check out the equity, this person has had a maximum drawdown of 22%, which is very, very okay. Okay, so check out the drawdown to profit ratio. Okay, so he had a drawdown of just 22%, and then he has made a profit of over 200%, which is very, very good. Okay, so this is a good trader to trade with, obviously. So you want to take your time out and check out the leaderboard carefully, all right? If you check out MACD Master, a lot of people that you can connect your account to here, right? So when you decide on who to trade with, on who to invest with, all you need to do is to click on invest on any of these people here. Okay, so let's invest with, let's check out how to invest with you as a JPY expert. So when you click on invest, what do you see? Now, before you can trade with, invest your money with any trader, you must have money in your account. Okay, you must have money in your account. And then the fund manager will let you know the minimum capital that you need to have in order to invest with him, because some of these traders are trading, millions of dollars, and it might not really be okay if you have just $100 to trade with him or her. Okay, so check out this person. All right, now let me tell you something. You as a JPY expert, check it out. This person, you can see his profits in the last almost 2 years has been $9.7 million, which is almost $10 million. So that means obviously this trader is trading in the realms of, possibly hundreds of millions or tens of millions of dollars, okay? And the kind of lot size that this person will be taking on his or her account to be very, very high. So if you want to connect with him, we have to be very, very careful regarding how we do our settings, but let's just move forward and see. Now, this is what you see when you want to connect your account with any trader. Now, there are some traders or there are some fund managers that over here, they will tell you the minimum amount of capital that you should have, right? But on this particular fund manager, so I think anybody can copy this person and then check out his performance fee here. He's going to receive 20% of the profit made every month. So if he makes, let's say on your account, he makes you $2,000 profit at the end of the month, $200 or $400 will be sent to him. Okay, and that will be handled automatically with the 10Trade platform. So you will keep 80% and then the trader will keep 20%. Okay, so performance fee. Okay, so that way he handles everything and then you just sit back and relax and you don't do anything. And that's the beauty. So to subscribe to any fund manager, all you want to do is to over here, connect your trading account. It's as simple as that. And remember, you must have capital to trade. So let us connect an account. So your account, your MT5 account with 10Trade is what you're going to use. Again, you have to be an active subscriber with 10Trade with a funded account to make this work. Trading account, so let's put our account there. Okay, then your password. Okay, and then you're good to go. Once you put just your MD5 ID and password is what is needed to copy any trader, and then you click on register. Click on register. So when you click on register, what is going to happen? You'll be taken to the page where you have to now configure the way that you want to copy this manager. All right, so click on OK. And then there are three major things that you're going to have to set. Now, by default, you are not copying this manager yet. until you activate it. So the first thing you want to do is to set your subscription strategy. Your subscription strategy. Okay, so you're going to click on edit to do that. All right, and you want to take your time and read through the different parameters here. So we have 4 different settings on the subscription strategy. We have auto scale, we have multiply, we have fixed, and then we have lots proportion. Okay, so with auto scale, when you read through it, you understand. But basically, auto scale is saying that the same risk that the master trader is taking, that same risk will be the same risk that will be replicated on your own account. All right. So if per trade, the master trader is risking, let's say 1% per trade, on your account as well, 1% per trade would also be risked. But in order to activate auto scale, your account needs to be very, very healthy. Needs to be very, very healthy in the range of the master account capital. So like I told you, this trader in the last almost 2 years has made almost $10 million. Only big accounts can make that kind of money. All right. So if you want to use auto scale and then you want to copy this trader, that means your account should also be in the range at least $1 million so that the auto scale can work effectively. All right. So the other one is multiply. All right. So usually I won't really explain this because it might get very, very confusing to you. If the master trader wants you to use multiply, he's going to specify that what you should use and then the risk ratio that you should use. All right. So what I recommend for you is to have a lot more control over the risk that will be taken on your account. By risk, I mean the kind of lot size that will be used to open trades on your account. That is what risk is in this case, right? Don't worry, Emma's phone. You are going to ask questions shortly once we are done. So I'm going to unmute you and then you ask your question, okay? So what I recommend is to use fixed. Now, by fixed, what does fixed mean? It means a fixed lot size. So every trade that is being opened on your account will be opened with a fixed lot size. What that means is that if the master trader on his own account opens a Euro USD trade with, let's say, 50 lots, and your own fixed lot size that you put, so let's say you put a fixed lot size of 0.01, for example. If the master trader opens a trade with 50 lots, based on your settings here of 0.01, that same trade on your own account will be opened with 0.01. So that's the lowest risk that you can have on that account. So that way you are more in control. You are more in control, and then you set the risk. All right. So if you are copying a trader that has a very, very large account, huge accounts, what you want to use, I recommend, is to use a fixed lot size. All right. Makes sense? So over here, you can set your lot size depending on your account size. All right. So let's just use 0.01. Okay. Maybe for people that have very, very small accounts. Once you do that, you want to click on Save Changes. All right, so that's fixed. Next one is correction. So for correction, let's click on Edit. Okay, so this means final processing of copies parameter. So here is also a way to handle your risk. Now, this means setting the maximum lot size that you want running on your account at any given time, right? The maximum lot size, total trades that will be opened on your account. So if you want your maximum lot size that will open on your account to be 1 lot, so that means if there are 10 trades or like 20 trades, if you add up all the lot sizes together, the maximum at any given time is going to be 1 if you put it to 1. All right, so this is a way to control your risk as well. So that's why I told you from the beginning that with this, you are more in control of your risk, because at the end of the day, this is your capital. This is money that you worked hard for, and then you just don't want to, play with it anyhow. All right. So you can set this as low or as high as you want, or you just leave it blank and let the manager handle everything. So that depends on you. So I just leave this as default. I just cancel, right? And then the next thing you want to set is under risk management. Now, this is one of the most important settings that you can do. Ensure that you don't skip this step. Very, very important, guys. So, and this is the final step. So click on edit to do your setting. So this is where you now set, if things are not going right, maybe, market condition changed, and then the master trader is losing a lot of trades. This is where you set your maximum loss that you are willing to take. So that's the biggest hit you're willing to take. Maybe it's 10% of your account, or 20% of your account, or 30%. So that will depend on your risk appetite. So this is where you set that if things are not going well, what is the highest amount of money that you are willing to lose? So this is where you set it. So it can be anywhere from 20% to maybe 40 or 50% of your accounts. That depends on individuals. So let's just use an average figure of, let's say, 30% of your capital. So if you are trading with an account capital of $1,000, and then your total loss threshold is 30% of your account, that is $300. So what it means is that at any given time, if you are in a loss of $300, you will be automatically unsubscribed from the master trader. And what that means is that you still get to keep a huge chunk of your capital. That is 70% of your capital. All right. So there's no way you can blow an account if you do your risk management setting. Right. So you will still be in control. That depends on you. It can be 30%, it can be 10% or 50%. All right. Or if you are someone that is very, very aggressive, you cannot leave it blank. Okay. So this is based on preference. All right. So there are people that are, low risk traders. There are some that are, conservative, and there are people that are very, very aggressive. An aggressive trader, for example, does not mind blowing accounts. Okay. He or she goes all in. So someone that's aggressive will just leave this blank. Okay. But if you want to be conservative, just put like 50%. Okay. So let's say we use 50% as a total loss. All right. So this is the loss in terms of balance, right? Now, you can also do a loss setting in terms of floating loss. We all know what floating loss is, right? Now, so this is loss that has not yet settled. Okay. So you can also set it. So what is the maximum floating loss that you are willing to incur? You put it there. So let's just say the same thing, 500. you're not willing to go beyond, right? So that depends on you. Is either you make it higher or you make it lower, okay? So you can also set the total profit. So the same thing, once the floating loss hits $500, I will be automatically unsubscribed from the master trader, right? So that means I'm done with that master trader. Here, you can also set the total profit that you are willing to make trading with this master trader. So if your goal in a particular year is to make, let's say, 100% profit. So if I'm trading with $1,000, 100% profit is 1,000. So if I put this here, and this trader has been trading for me every month and making profits, as soon as I make a profit of $1,000, automatically I will be unsubscribed from the master trader. But of course, most people wouldn't dare limit their profit. So you might want to leave this blank so that you can make more money, right? So, and then you can see close, good. So once you are done with this, just click on save changes, okay? And then you are done with the settings. So once you are done with the settings, the next thing you now want to do is to activate it. So how do you activate? You come to actions at the top here, you click on it, you will see two options, activate and unsubscribe. To activate it, just click on activate. Okay, so once you do this, whenever the master trader opens a new position, it will be copied on your account based on the settings that you have configured, right? So you click on activate. And at any given time, you can also unsubscribe from a master trader. So to unsubscribe, you just come back to the dashboard, come to actions, and then click on suspend or unsubscribe to totally stop this person from trading on your account, right? So you have full and total autonomy over how the copy is being done. Now, guys, there are a lot of copy trading platforms out there, but nothing comes close to the kind of leverage or settings that you can do with what we have here at Tentrade. Again, there is no way you can blow an account because you have option to set your risk properly. You can be low risk, you can be conservative, or you can be aggressive. That depends on you. Okay, depends on you. So this is how you do it. And next year is going to be a very good year. We are going to be populating this list with a lot of new traders and very, very good traders as well. But right now we have like top 10 that are very, very good and very, very profitable. Okay, we have MACD Master. He has made a return of 50%. Okay, and I think this person has made it in how many? In about a month, he has made 50% profits. Okay, this one that you can also trade with based on your cap. If you have a low capital, this person you can trade with. Omega managed this guy has joined for about a year now. So this is a low risk trader. He has made less than 100%, which is very, very good. Very, very good, right? You have another trader that is also performing. We have this person, I think is a new trader. Actually, this person has been trading for just 2 weeks. And in 2 weeks, he has made 30% profit, right? So we have a lot of people that you can connect your accounts to and then try them out. We have traders shortcuts, all right? This person has been trading for less than 2 months. And then this is 20% profit. That's about 10% profit average a month. Very, very good results right there. All right, who else is there? You have momentum effects. This person has been trading for 78 days and he has made just 1%. So this is an extra low risk trader. Okay, so based on preference, you choose what aligns with your trading. All right. So we have a lot of traders that you can trade with, and then more traders will be coming on board, okay, to also list themselves as traders that you can copy. So this is how you can leverage on profitable traders to earn passive income. Okay, so this is something like a set and forget kind of system. So once you invest with a trader, you do your settings, you just leave it. You don't do any other thing. Okay, you don't do any other thing. You just wait for the end of the month, wait for your profit split, withdraw your capital, your profit rather, or reinvest as you choose. Okay, so that's the beauty of what we have going on with TenTrade copy trading platform. All right. So guys, this is how the system works. Let me go back to the slide. I recommend that you try out the platform, okay, because everybody wants to make money, and then you want to be a part of the people in the top 10% of profitable traders. All right, so this is the time for you to ask questions. If you have any questions, let me know in the chat box about what you've learned so far, and then I'm going to answer your questions. Emme, you raised up your hand the other time. Should I unmute you so you ask your question? Now, one question that people usually ask is that, can I copy multiple master traders? Yes, you can copy multiple traders, but you have to create another MT5 account to copy another trader. So one MT5 account can only copy one master trader. All right, so you can have multiple MT5 accounts as long as they are funded accounts. You can fund the account and then copy as many traders as you want. Okay. Any questions, guys? Any questions about the platform, how it works? If you are, skeptical, let me know so that I'll clarify some concepts for you and how you can get started. All right. Any questions? Any questions? Hit me, guys. Mr. Sunday Patrick, Mr. Nnamdi, Mr. Joseph Jackson, Mr. Idris, Emme Ufot, Adewale, Mr. Adewale. Let me know if you have any questions, and then I provide answers for you. So while we are waiting on questions, give me some feedback in the chat box. If you think that this is an interesting concept, right, type in value in the chat box. This concept of copy trading, if it sounds interesting, type in value in the chat box. Let me know if I'm able to pass across the message properly. If it looks something like something that you can do or start with, type in value. Awesome. Mr. Patrick said value. Awesome, Mr. Sunday Patrick. Thank you so much. Who else thinks this is valuable that they can, get started with? All right. Mr. Nnamdi. Awesome. Good. So how do you want to get started? If you don't have an account with TenTrade yet, you want to create your account with TenTrade. Very, very important. So this is your starting point. Create your TenTrade account, right? Verify your account, make your deposit, and then go through the list of traders there. Check out their performance and choose one person to invest with. Once you click on invest, you log in to the dashboard with your MT5 account. Then you proceed to do your risk settings, how you want to copy this master trader, and then you activate it. You are done. You are done. You don't have to do any other thing, right? And then that's a bit of this. So you can be doing copy trading and still even be trading on your account. So this does not stop you from trading on that same accounts. You can be very, very busy at work, and then somebody is trading on your behalf. You can be in church or in the mosque, or you're out, having some fun time with family and friends, and then trades are ongoing. So that's the beauty of passive income, All right. So guys, let me leave you with this last slide here, right? The biggest risk that you can take is not to take any risk at all. The biggest risk that you can take in life is not to take any risk at all, right? If there's anything that will make you profit in life, there's risk attached to it. There's nothing that has a potential to make you profit that risk is not attached. All right. So the more risk that's involved in it, the more the profit. So take that bold step, okay, and leverage on what we have going on at Tentrade. Now, this was put together to ensure that traders are profitable. So we are constantly curating or populating that rankings, right, with profitable traders. Mr. Joseph Jackson is asking, can we copy your trades? You're asking which one is your account? I would like to copy your tradings. All right. So that's a good question. Right now, I am not active as a manager on the platform. All right. So, but that's why I took my time to take you through the list of profitable traders. You can check their performance and then choose one person to trade with. All right. And then trust me, these are very, very good traders as well. Okay. Mr. Inamdi is asking a question. I still have difficulties on entering a trade, like when to buy and when to sell. Okay, so every Mondays and Wednesday, we have live trading sessions. So you can join our live sessions and then ask your question. We'll most likely help you out about that. Okay, so this particular webinar is to show people only about copy trading. So Mr. Namdi, so please kindly join our session tomorrow evening by 6 p.m. Nigerian time, and then I'll be glad to answer your question in detail. Okay? Awesome. Awesome. Any other questions, guys, before we call it a night? Mr. Joseph Jackson, you said yes. Should I unmute you? You can unmute yourself and speak if you want to speak. You're asking, what is the indices to know?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Yeah, thanks for your availability. We are happy to be associated with you. Reason that we wanted to copy your trading is that, according to they say follow who know road. Of course, you know now. So, had it been that you're on the platform trading, we would like to. You would have more people tying to your trading, and okay, that's on the flip side. How do we then know a successful and a profitable trader? So that, yes, we can copy his trading.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Joseph. Yeah, so maybe sometime in the future, maybe sometime next year, I should be a manager on the platform, hopefully. Then I can tell people to copy this particular account. So why I don't also want to do that is because telling people to copy my own particular accounts might, we are all traders at the end of the day. It might put a lot of pressure on me as a trader, right? And, trading is majorly about psychology. I can afford to lose my own capital, right? But when I start thinking about some other people's money, I might not even trade or start making very, very bad decisions. All right. So that's why I'm not actively on the platform as at yet. All right. And then talking about the indices that that we should know, what should we look out for in order to copy a trader? Number one, you look out for is so let us go to this person's account, for example. Let's go to, we're checking this person, USD JPY expert. Now, personally, the first thing you want to look out for, obviously, is how profitable the trader is, right? So how profitable is this trader? So this person, if you scroll down, you will see this person's profit history. So that's where I recommend that you start from. How much is this trader making on a monthly basis? I can see this person is quite profitable every month, even though he has some losing months, just 2 losing months. Imagine in the last almost 2 years, he has only had 2 losing months and he always recovers. So this guy has a very good recovery rate. So it's someone that you can copy. The next thing you now want to check out is the drawdown. How much drawdown in percentage does this person have on the account? And then you can see that if you go to the equity tab, this person will. So you see on the equity tab, this person's drawdown is just 22%. And this is a max drawdown at any given time. So that means this is very, very good. So this person is not trading very, very aggressively. Okay, so now check out the drawdown to maximum profit ratio. This is 22 to 250. So this is over 1 to 10, which is very, very good. All right. And also check out the max daily profit, 21%. Check out the max daily loss, 5%. So this person makes profits, much more than he makes losses. Okay, check out the average profits, 1.48. Check out the average loss, 1%. So this person is more profitable than he makes losses. If you scroll down, okay, we can't see anything. Let's go to the trading tab. So the profit every month and then the drawdown is what I usually like to check before I copy any particular trader. Is that clear, Mr. Joseph?
Yes, it's clear.
Yes. So that's where you want to start from, and then that will guide you into determining if you should trade with a particular trader or not. Okay, check out this person's recovery factor. Okay, 2.03, which is a good number. If you go to return, let's scroll up and see something. Let's go to trading. Let me show you something. I'm looking for the other instrument. Okay, good. If you check out instruments, you see a section called trade statistics, all right? You can see this person's best trade, his worst trade, largest trade, trades won, trade loss. You can see this person has won over 500 trades. He has lost just 100 trades. So he's winning much more than he's losing. Total profits made $9 million. Okay, average trade size. So this average trade size, that means average lot size that this guy is using. So this guy is trading big lots. Big lots. So average lot that is trading is 99 lots. So this would also guide you to know how you do your risk settings on the back end. Okay, so a lot of options. So average trade duration, 2 days. All right, so all of this information is what will guide you to know if you trade with this trader or not. But the most important is check out the monthly profits in percentage, check out the drawdown, and figure out based on those statistics if this person makes more profits than is making losses. And then you find yourself a good trader to connect your account to. Is that
all right? Yeah, it's clear. Thank you very much.
Awesome, sir. You're welcome. Mr. Manuel Adele, do you want to speak? Should I unmute you so you ask a question? So I've unmuted you. Please ask a question, Mr. Manuel.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so I noticed that this is more or less like a third-party platform, which you don't have. This 10 trade.
10 trade is a brokerage, is a broker, right?
I know. That's why I call it. You don't have a control, but you also run an account on it, more like you're an IBO or an affiliate, sort of. Am I right or wrong?
No. So I'm working with 10 trade, right? So 10 trade is a broker. Okay, so this is a 10 trade organized webinar.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So we are showing people how to leverage on our copy trading platform, okay, to make money.
Which solely is rendered by any of these guys based on their trading history.
Exactly. So everybody,
not like you have any how will I put it now? Any arrangement or
no, not at all.
personally whatsoever with them.
No. Everybody here is a client on 10 trade. Everybody on this leaderboard here, they are 10 trade clients. Some are very big IBs, some are big fund managers, some are regular traders. Okay, so they all register the same way. Okay, so this is a platform where they can choose to become fund managers and then they earn performance fees at the end of the month or at the end of the week.
Sure.
Is that clear, sir?
Yes.
All right, awesome. Any other questions, sir?
Not from me, actually. So what does it take to actually, or what's the minimum equity?
Okay, so I'll recommend minimum equity, minimum $100, and it will also depend on the trader that you are copying.
Okay, so exactly, see, let me say this because I'm actually not a newbie in trading.
Yes.
And I do know that most of these guys, right?
Yes.
Some people will tell you they don't have an arrangement, whereas some they have it in an arrangement, such that some of these guys, right?
Yes.
They will tell you minimum for you to actually subscribe to their copy trading services is this amount. Yes. And if you don't meet that, no matter whatever their level of results, you can't actually have access. And in such case, you notice that some brokers would now have to lure you to actually maybe connect to some other trade masters or copy trade master. You understand?
Yes.
And most of these things have repercussions. Like I've been watching, even though I got disconnected and came back, I noticed you actually didn't use this global wealth something as a prototype, and I guess you have your reasons why you did not. For instance, anyone can be looking at his total profit 10 million plus, whereas this USDB whatever didn't even have a total profit up to his. But when you look at his return, right?
Yes.
And you look at this guy's return, right?
Yes.
But it's only somebody that is actually an expert or that understand how trading works that will know reason why you chose to go for USD expert and all this guy. So when it comes to decision making like this, even though one is in charge of one's account, you can take control. This is what you do. This is how you set up to actually connect to our platform. Mostly, the choice is still with you to decide whoever. But in the course of deciding, the person can turn you down. Basically, when you don't meet up to their minimum standard or equity that's required to actually enjoy their service. So can you clarify a bit, or on this platform, or as far as your own platform is concerned, there is no restriction as far as most of your copy trade masters are concerned?
Okay, that's a very good question, Mr. Emmanuel. Thank you so much. So Now, did you join us from the beginning? Or
No,
you
I
joined
did not.
late? Okay,
I
so
joined at about 6:30 or thereabout.
okay, so I think we handled your question briefly, but I'll just go over it again since you're asking this. Now, there are some traders that require minimum capital. Let me see if I can find somebody that can. So I think this person, this trader shortcut, I think has something like that. If you click on invest on trader shortcuts, there are some that have minimum to copy. There are some that don't put it. It depends on the master trader, but let us check what this guy is saying. Good. So on this person now, you can see the minimum balance that you need to have is $1,000, and is going to charge 30% weekly. And then is also giving you the risk management settings that you should use. All right. So this person has given you all the parameters that you need to copy him successfully. And then while I was doing an example on this guy, how we should copy, there are different, so let me go to the dashboard. So let's say we want to copy this person. Hold on, so let me go ahead and copy this person. And then we'll go to the settings, right? So let's say this is a trader that we want to copy. You click on register. So even though there are some traders, there are some managers that don't give you the minimum balance, but based on their performance, you see that this guy is someone that you like to copy. Using under subscription strategy, when you come to edit, there are different settings here to use. Now, the one that you want to use to have more control is fixed. So if you use the fixed option, so let's say your fixed is, I use 0.01. Even though the master trader is using.
Sorry, I think I saw all of this.
You saw this, right?
Yeah, I met all of this.
Awesome. Awesome. So that is how you do it.
Say something. For instance,
yes.
For someone that let me not even go by his trading history or profit making, right? But by the time you look at his total profit and even turnover, right?
Yes.
And is asking you to do a minimum deposit, right?
Okay.
Of $1,000. Yes. And it's also stating the risk or the minimum whatever. If you can go back to that condition again, you realize that probability that your rate of actually securing a loss as to making money is very, very high, which is actually tantamount to one of the reasons why is having that low turnout over time, right? Compared to someone that you showed, that guy that just did in 14 days, is done, was it 30-something% or there, if I'm not wrong, you know?
Let's check him out.
Yeah, and please, if you can check his requirements.
Where is this person? No,
yeah, this guy, yes, 31.29%.
Akichi, so
yeah,
let's check him out. So let's click on invest, right? And see if he's giving us something. All right, so this person is not stating all of those things. All right, so yeah, so now
so as a trade, as a brokerage firm, what I'm just saying this is so that as much as people are going to be responsible, all right, for setting up their strategies and all of that, also, you know, maybe over time, depending on maybe by the time I get to learn about your academy proper, because I notice there is an academy attached to this, right? So definitely. I will really be able to, or probably the sole responsibility is on me to actually have to do my own assignment, running through each of these traders and decide who I was, since I have choice, right?
Definitely.
Yeah. Now, so If that is it, at what point then do I get access, all right, to use your platform? Because you are just making available your platform and the services, all right? And what do you stand to gain if you're actually making this platform available for people and we have to bring in our money, all right? When it comes to, withdrawal, how often can I withdraw? Can I do a daily withdrawal? Are there limits? Are there aside that if I have trades running? Do you understand?
Okay, Mr. Man, so let me answer your question, but this particular webinar is just for copy trading. Now, to answer your question, fortunately, we have the country manager for Nigeria on this Zoom call with us. So I'll just bring him up so that he can answer all of the questions. Mr. Victor, sir, can you unmute yourself and speak to the house, sir?
Okay, good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Very, very interesting conversation. And so I had to step in, to throw more light on what this all about. So it's obvious that some of the people that are attending the class are experienced traders. Please, if you can hear me, can you confirm that you can hear me?
Yes, sir, loud and clear.
Okay, great. Okay, so let me talk about the copy trading platform first. Any other questions you can ask? But they are very interesting questions. So the copy trading platform is a decentralized trading platform, just like you have Bolt and you have Amazon. 10Trade is it's not trading for investors. 10Trade is just providing the platform. Now the platform is for both. There are some traders who do not know how to trade yet, or who are not making profits yet, and they might need the services of other fund managers to trade on their behalf. That is the main function of the social copy trading platform. All right. On the flip side, it is also an opportunity for traders like you. Every 10Trade client that is a good trader is also an opportunity for you to make money. And that's why I always tell people, this is the reason why you need to learn how to trade well. Because when you learn how to trade well, then it means that basically the whole of 10Trade clients also become your clients as a copier, as an investor. So the platform is open to everyone to make money from. So if you become a good trader today, your name will be there, and everybody, all over clients all over the world, can copy your trades. So it's a two-way thing. One is an opportunity for fund managers to make money because they will take their share of the profit. It is also an opportunity for investors, okay, to make money because they don't know how to trade, or they are still learning how to trade. Now, on the option of who Mr. Tobi has shown as examples, most of the guys there, I don't even know them. Do you understand? So what we are teaching you is how to spot a profitable trader. What are the things to look out for? You need to look at the drawdown, right? The platform is done like a decentralized platform, like a boat, like Uber, whereby the investors and the traders don't know each other. Because like Tobi said earlier, when the investor knows the trader, there's a tendency that when the trader is having a drawdown, the investor will pick up his phone and start calling the trader and start disturbing him, putting him under pressure. Do you understand? So the platform has been built in such a way that everything is decentralized. If you see a trader you like, you can copy. That's how it works. So what we're teaching you is, apart, it's not even just 10Trade. Globally, any copy trading platform you go to, what do you need to look out for? And which Tobi has explained. One, you need to look at the drawdown. Okay? You need to look at the maximum drawdown. You need to look at the equity of the trader. Like that first guy that's on number one. If you look at the guy's capital, probably the guy's capital is over $1 million. Okay? And if you have, I personally wouldn't use him as an example, because if you have $100 capital in your account and you want to copy a trader that has $1 million, even if you use fixed lots, it's going to be a bit tricky for a $100 account to copy somebody who's trading $1 million. You understand? Because by the time you're copying, even if you're copying with fixed lot of 0.01, 0.01, there's a high tendency that it will still blow your account. You understand? So we are careful not to recommend any trader, but we'll show you what to look out for. So there's no trader there is favored. All we want to do is together look at this trader that has a reasonable drawdown, a trader that his capital is not too huge. You know, there are traders that have $100 capital. There are traders that have more than $1 million capital. So you need to pick. You need to pick according to these parameters that I've just explained to you, and that is what we are teaching you, how to do copy trading professionally. What are the things to look out for? Look at the drawdown, look at the equity, you know, look at the risk. You know, for me personally, if I see a trader that is making too much profit too fast in 1 month, I would avoid. So it's all about experience, and we are sharing that experience with you. Some traders will give their recommended minimum balance, okay? Some will tell you copy with fixed lots, copy with multiplier, copy with auto scaling, because they are the ones that understand their trading strategy. Some will not say anything at all, okay? And like I said, most of those guys there, some of them are from Vietnam, some are out. We don't know. It's only my own personal client that I know. So that is the essence of running the class, so that you show you how to pick a good trader. Personally, based on what Tobi has said, if I see a good trader, I will know. All I need to do is look at his drawdown, look at his monthly profit. Okay. What else? Risk to drawdown to profit ratio. All of those little things. That's how you spot a good trader. And so we'll teach you how to do your due diligence. So when you do your due diligence, you can now pick a trader to copy. You understand? So that is for the copy trading aspect. I don't know if that has addressed your questions. No trader is favored. You know, we're just showing you different options of traders. You know, some traders, we might show you now, the guy is making 5% per month. Some people will say it's too small. You know, you might see another trader is making 50% per month. Some people say it's too big. So you can't please people because they have different profit expectations and different risk expectations. So we show you what to look out for. If you are the kind of person that is looking for 100% every month, then you go and pick a trader that can do that. If you're the kind of trader that is looking for someone that will do 5% every month, you look at the trader, you look at his results there, and you pick one that is doing something similar with low drawdown. Okay, so that is for copy trading. I don't know, I hope that addresses the questions about the copy trading.
Yes.
The last speaker was asking a question about something else. If you can remind me so I can see if it's something I can answer.
About the withdrawals and deposits and services of TenTrade.
Okay, so if this class is particularly for copy trading, we run different classes every day. Okay, so there's supposed to be another class that teaches about the whole client portal, deposit and withdrawal and everything. And that is why we have a dedicated account officer. So I didn't know the person that was speaking, but if you have an account with TenTrade, your account officer would have called you. Okay, and if you have an account with TenTrade and you have not been called, then you can let me know in the chat box, and your account officer will call you. So that account officer is somebody that you can ask everything, deposit, withdrawal, whatever, you know. Our deposit on TenTrade is instant. So I'll just answer that. Deposit on TenTrade is instant. Withdrawals on TenTrade within 1 hour, you get your money into your bank account, depending if you're using crypto or Naira. So everything, I don't know if there are some traders in the house here that are using TenTrade. Everything works as expected. Deposit, withdrawal, trading platform, everything. So if you have any other questions that you would like me to address, you can ask.
Sorry.
I'm suspecting that you're not yet a TenTrade client. That's why you're asking these questions.
I'm not. So then is
Okay,
it
great.
only crypto account that is used for withdrawal? So
No. We have Naira. You can deposit and withdraw via Naira.
What about
We have all the options.
okay.
Crypto option is there. Neteller, Skrill. What's the other one? Neteller, Skrill. What do you call it?
What about if I have a domiciliary account and deposit with my card, can I withdraw same or?
Yeah, so for now there's no card, there's no domiciliary card funding. But by January, okay, the company is opening the bank accounts in Nigeria. So by January, you'll be able to actually do your direct funding to the dollar account, Nigerian dollar account, and also withdraw back to, when you withdraw, it will be paid into your DOM account as well.
Okay.
Yeah, what's your name? What's your name so that we can reach out to you?
I'm
Your name.
I actually just registered on your platform. I noticed I need to do my verification.
Okay, Manuel Adele.
Yes.
Okay, so someone out to you to answer any other questions that you need. Okay, but just rest assured that Tentrade is a very transparent broker. Once you start using the services, you test it for yourself and you see how everything works.
It's all right.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, but I hope the answers of the copy trading make sense.
Platform. Yes. It did make sense, yes.
Yeah, so it's an opportunity for you, me, everybody to make money from, either as an investor or as a trader himself. So if you become a good trader today, right, we will also be telling people, we will also be using your account as an example for others to copy. If they like your drawdown and everything.
I understand the centralized platform, because for a lot of people that do not have the time to do trading by themselves, and connecting them to somebody that can actually help them multiply their income or their investment by simply doing not all what they just need to do is you just set up their account strategy and then someone else does the work.
Yes.
It's all right.
But they need to know exactly what they're doing and the risk parameters and the drawdown, everything. If not, it's now the whole aim is defeated.
There are some of those traders that would demand profit sharing.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes, some of them demand profit sharing.
Yeah. All right. Thank you very much.
All right. Yeah, you're welcome.
I've actually been
following
you on WhatsApp, but I just stumbled on your adverts again today, and I decided to join. I'm actually a busy person.
All right, great. People probably will talk outside of the class then.
All right.
I'll reach out to you later.
No problem.
All right, you're welcome. Yep.
All right, thanks so much, Mr. Victor.
Tobi, over to you.
Awesome. So this has been an interesting conversation so far. I hope that we've answered all of our questions. For people that are just joining us, like Mr. Oriala, yes, you would have access to the recording, which will be posted on our YouTube channel sometime this week, so you can get all the information at your pace. So don't worry, we'll get access to the recording to you, to everybody that joined this session. Okay, guys, so if you still have any other questions, feel free. You are a lady. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, so we'll get access to the replay to you. All right. So guys, thanks so much for being a part of this session. Give me some feedback, guys. It's been an explosive session. Just type in value if you got value from this. Let's round up with that excitement. Type in value in the chat box. Type in value. All right. If you got value from everything that we've been talking about, in the last 1 hour, we've been exposing ourselves to how to make money, how to earn passive income, leveraging on copy trading. Thank you, Mr. Jackson, Mr. Nnamdi, Mr. Manuel. Awesome. So guys, remember, we have we hold daily webinars like this to teach clients of Tentrade different aspects of trading. Tomorrow, we'll be having a live trading session. Tomorrow, as a team, we are going to be analyzing different pairs tomorrow night and spotting zones where we can trade from. It's also an avenue to ask questions. If you're a beginner, even though you're a professional, you can come live on the session and ask questions about a particular pair, or if you need a second eye based on your analysis, we'll also check it out together. And that is to ensure that everybody here is making the right trading decisions. All right, guys, thank you so much. And I wish us all the very best this trading session. And of course, compliments of the season, everybody. I'll see you on the next webinar. Let's have a remarkable night. Good night, everybody. Cheers.